He proceeded to fill the positions of Commander and Lagos State Operation Squad, CP, with the rank of Chief Lieutenant of Police. Upon his promotion to the rank of Assistant Commissioner. For his response, the IGP, sir.
Thank you, First PRO. This is our first course visit for the year, so I believe it's a good time to start the new year with Security and Exchange Commission. I want to congratulate you on your recent milestone of attaining 100 trillion naira in this capital market. That's a very big one, and on behalf of the Nigerian Police Force, I congratulate you on this milestone achievement. I'm happy to also hear from you that you are ready to strengthen the police enforcement unit that is attached to the Security and Exchange Commission. That's also another good way to start. It's going to complement your efforts. You already do so much. Your roles in the Security and Exchange Commission is very critical to the Nigerian economy, and you must have heard from the first PRO that it is part of our vision to support the government in ensuring economic recovery and growth in the efforts of government to ensure recovery of our economy. I want to assure you that if the police unit attached to you is so strengthened, it's going to make so much impact in your enforcement drive. What you said speaks so much to your determination to ensure effective drives in the capital market. And when we're able to achieve effective enforcement, it comes with so much benefits. The benefits are numerous. It will increase investor confidence. It will stabilize the market. It will bring about a compliance culture. It will protect the investors. And in the long run, it will help in the economic growth of our country. I want to assure you that the Nigerian Police Force is ready to deepen its collaboration with you. We will strengthen our partnership and support you in all ways we can to ensure that you achieve your aims. I want to once again thank you for coming, and I want to say that your visit, has signified a beginning of a strengthened relationship between the Nigerian Police Force and the Security and Exchange Commission. Thank you for coming.
Today, we are gladdened, we are happy, because we are starting 2026 with a vision, with a purpose, and with a pledge. And that pledge is that a combination of the Nigerian police and the SEC will certainly deter every scammer, every thief, every criminal, everyone that does not mean well for the Nigerian investor. Because here we come, building a market that will indeed drive the development of our economy, and building a market where every police officer will be happy to invest for the future of themselves, indeed their children, and indeed their family. And I believe this action will take us a long way in building an economy and a nation that we all desire and wish for. I cannot be more proud of the current IGP. Reading through his academic qualifications and his practical experience, it is clear that we are in safe hands, and I can at least sleep very well while the IGP is working for me. We are gathered here today, united by a single urgent mission to protect the hard-earned savings and the financial dreams of the Nigerian people. We are here to forge an alliance against a common enemy, the sophisticated, predatory, and heartless criminals who operate Ponzi schemes, investment frauds, cryptocurrency scams, and such others. The Securities and Exchange Commission is the sentinel at the gates of our formal capital market. We are the apex capital market regulator. Our mandate is clear: to protect investors, maintain fair efficient, and transparent markets, and promote the growth of a vibrant economy built on trust. We set the rules, we license the operators, and we surveil the markets. But, Mr. IGP, distinguished officers, we face adversaries who operate in the shadows outside our regulated markets. They exploit the trust of our people. They promise ridiculous returns, such as 200% in 30 days and all such nuts. They cloak their deceit in the glamorous, misunderstood language of cryptocurrency and forex trading. They forget the vulnerables, the optimistics, and simply unsuspecting, leaving behind a trail of shattered lives, depleted pensions, and broken trusts. This is not just a financial crime. It is a social menace that erodes public confidence in our entire financial system. This is where our authority, as the SEC, meets its necessary complements: your power, Nigerian police force, your reach, and your effective mandate. Currently, there is a gap, a seam between identification and enforcement that these scammers exploit. Today, we aim to close that gap permanently. Therefore, we propose a robust institutionalized collaboration with the following pillars: Joint Intelligence and Operations Task Force. We must say here that currently, the Nigerian police is gracious to provide us with a unit of the police force at the SEC, and we are so grateful. And that experience has been with us for over 10 years. And we believe strongly that with this visit, we are going to strengthen that unit in order to make it more effective while taking advantage of the large resource of the police nationwide. So, establishment of a dedicated SEC MPF team that combines our market intelligence, forensic accounting, and understanding of complex financial schemes with your investigative and intelligence gathering capabilities. This team will actually be the rapid response unit to our new scams. Capacity building and transfer. We will work systematically with the police to train officers, as in other organizations and other relevant units, in the intricacies of the capital market instruments, the hallmarks of Ponzi schemes, and the technology behind crypto asset fraud. An informed officer is our strongest frontline defender. A streamlined process for enforcement. We will seek to establish clear, fast-track channels for the SEC to refer cases of blatant fraud and unlicensed investment schemes to the police for immediate criminal action beyond the administrative sanctions and the work being done by the force unit at the SEC. We would also like to have a collaboration regarding a national public awareness campaign for a united front in educating the public, using both our platforms and the respected voice of the Nigerian police, the Nigerian police radio. We can amplify the message. If it sounds too good to be true, it's always necessary to check with the SEC and indeed the police force. We must make SEC licensed a household badge of safety. Mr. Inspector General, sir, the fight against financial crime is a fight for the soul of our economy. It's a fight for the widow who has lost her savings, the youth lured by fake crypto promises, and the retiree seeking to save return. The SEC cannot win this fight alone. The police should not have to decipher these complex schemes without specialist support. Together, however, we form an impenetrable shield. Let us, at this meeting, be remembered as the day the two guardians of Nigeria's safety and safety of our streets and the safety of our savings join hands. Let us send a clear, unequivocal message to every scammer, every criminal, every intending criminal, from the dusty streets to the dark web, that your time is indeed up. Nigerians investors are now under combined protection, which is much more than any insurance that they can get.
Thank you very much. While we remain standing, we'd like to take the much we can have our seat. The Inspector General of Police, the Director General Security and Exchange, big welcome to the police force, Nigeria Police Force headquarters. Thank you very much for making out time to quickly introduce to you the IGP and members of the force management team. We have Deputy Inspector General of Police, Sadiq Abubakar, PhD, DIG Force Criminal Investigator, Wale Williams, FDC, DIG ICT Department. Deputy Inspector General of Police, Dankwara Mohammed, DIG Department of Commissioners of Police, drawn from departments within the force headquarters. Director General, sir, permit me to introduce to you the Inspector General of Police, Nigeria Police Force. Masters in Business Administration from the University of Lagos. This he got in 2004. He also obtained a Bachelor of Economics from the Delta State University, Abraka, in the year 2000. In addition to his academic and abroad, this includes the Citizenship and Leadership Training course as a cadet assistant superintendent of police, and he was trained at the Nigeria Police Academy.